Hi, this is Michelle Hurdum. I simply need to share this info with you. I'm a Right to the Future member, and it's one of the best online programs I ever have been a part of. It's a trading platform where you simply just buy a trading pack, and now this trading pack earn your daily passive income. You don't need to log into your profile, you don't need to do anything except having this trading package in Right to the Future, and it earns you daily up to 1.25% a day. Best of all, it will first expire when it has earned itself in 5 times, so 500%. So do you have a trading packet, to example $1,000, it first expires when it has earned itself in with $5,000. What I want to show you that is I have been a member in 3 months, and it has been an awesome experience. Every single day it just have been a pleasure working with Right to the Future. And this video it's about, I have had more than $10,000 paid out already. It's very simple. If I can do it, you can do it. It's very easy. I joined, I saw it was working, I was sharing it with people who want to know something about it, and they love it too, so they also sharing the program. You don't need to share it at all to earn money, so you don't need to refer to anyone, but I'm pretty sure when you see how awesome this concept is, you also have a friend or two who wants to join Right to the Future. Actually, it has been in preparation in 2 years, and it should launch here the 28th of March to a huge event in London. But because of this awful coronavirus there is around the whole world, it is now postponed. So when everything is calm again in the whole world, then there again will be a huge event launch. So that was it, but you can try to see here. 10,000 paid out. You can see my trading commission. You can go up here and see it actually is paid out, released income. And this is less than 3 months. I joined the 12th of December, now it's the 23rd, but I did not pay anything out. The last thing I paid out was the 10th of March. So here you can see $10,000. You can also do it. You can go in under see earned income, and you can actually also see I already now is again ready to withdraw 1,148. So complete I have earned $11,148 in this concept. I'm extremely happy, and most of all I'm mostly happy that my team is earning money, and join Right to the Future, and have a new passive income stream every single day, and be happy. That's it. Bye bye.